All right, guys, we're going to talk about theoretical versus experimental probability. So I have a question here. It says, what is the probability of rolling an even number on a dice? So I can go about solving this two different ways. The first way is the theoretical way. So if I'm going to solve this the theoretical way, this means I'm predicting using math. So I'm going to solve it the theoretical way now. It said, what was the probability of rolling an even number? So I'm looking for an even number on a dice. Well, I know that dice have 6 options. I can roll a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. And I'm looking for even numbers. So 2 is even, 4 is even, and 6 is even. So 3 out of the 6 total options are even. So I can simplify that by dividing by 3. So half, 1/2 of my options are even. That's the theoretical way. That was a guess based on math. The experimental way is to actually do the experiment. So if I'm trying to figure out how many times I can roll an even number when I roll a dice, well, I'm actually going to do it. So here's my dice here. So roll 1, I got a 5. All right. Roll 2, I got a 3. Roll 3, I got a 2. Roll 4, I got a 5. Roll 6, I got a 1. So I rolled the dice 5 times. And of those 5 times, how many of them were even? Well, 5 is not even. 3 is not even. 2 is even. 5 is not even, and 1 is not even. So out of the 5 rolls that I had, I rolled an even once. So 1/5. So this experiment with the same question gave me a different answer. It said 1/5. Now, I only rolled 5 times. The more you do an experiment, the more accurate your numbers are going to be. But that's the difference between theoretical, which is a guess, and experimental, which is actually doing the experiment.